Hi, my name is Agudo Kweku Agabas. I am an entrepreneur, founder, and CEO of AppCyclers. AppCyclers is an e-waste management startup based in Tamale. We focus our activities on providing e-waste collection services, upcycling and recycling to promote a greener and safer environment. We began in 2019 through a hackathon. There we realized that e-waste is a global issue of which Ghana is not exempted. When you walk around the street, you see a lot of electronic appliances being dumped indiscriminately on the roadside and on our street, of which nothing is being done on that regard. And more importantly, these electronic appliances such as the television sets, the refrigerators, has embedded in them toxic chemicals such as the lead, mercuries, of which on a daily basis, rainfall, sunshine, these toxic chemicals leach into our soil and water bodies, which goes a long round to pose a lot of detrimental effect to human health and the environment in which we live in. So with a team of 4, we're passionate about the environment and as well in building sustainable businesses. We decided to do something about this. So we built an online platform through which e-waste is collected with a click of a button. Components in the electronic waste are used to build an AppCyclers product, which are then sold on our e-commerce platform.
On our e-commerce platform, you get to discover AppCyclers products we built from e-waste as well as used products, which are all available for sales. Join us together. Let's promote a greener and safer environment. Thank you.